If you accidentally made changes to your content without noticing, then published it, or if you don't like the latest version of your content and want to revert to a previous version, then you'll want to use the revisions function. When you publish a post or page, if you made any changes, a revision will be saved, and you're able to roll back to earlier versions of that piece of content. Essentially, the revisions function acts as an undo button. We'll start off by going to the front page of our website. From the dashboard, hover over your site name and click Visit Site. It seems that the first paragraph for our Bora Bora post has been accidentally deleted. We'll edit the post by clicking on Edit just below the title. At the bottom of the editor, there is a revisions panel. If you're not able to see the revisions panel, make sure to enable it from Screen Options. In this panel, we're able to see the history of revisions for this article. Clicking on any of these links will take you to that particular revision. Post revisions can also be accessed from the Publish panel. The number of revisions are also shown here. Click on Browse. When viewing revisions of an article, you'll be able to see the HTML code, giving you good detail of the post, allowing you to figure out which revision you prefer. Text highlighted in red shows the original content. Text highlighted in green shows changes made to existing content, as well as any new content that was added. Previous and next buttons allow you to cycle through revisions of the article. Alternatively, you can drag the slider to navigate through revisions of the post. First, we'll find a correct revision with the first paragraph still intact. To restore your post to an earlier revision, choose a revision you'd like, then click Restore this revision. You'll be taken back to the editing interface, and as you can see, the first paragraph has now been restored. When you're happy with the content, click Update to finalize the restoration. View the post, and we can see the first paragraph has been restored. Unfortunately, this is still the wrong version, as Bora Bora the Romantic Island is no longer a heading. Another function of the revisions feature is to compare any two revisions. You'll recall when we browsed through post revisions, we were comparing a particular revision with another revision that was either directly before or after it. What if we want to separately compare revisions? Say, compare the latest revision to another revision that is not directly before or after it. Simply check the Compare Any Two Revisions box and you'll be able to do so. Checking the box enables additional information and options. The slider now has two separate components that you can use to cycle through revisions. The information dialog just below the slider will indicate which two revisions are being compared. Once again, we'll look for the correct version, with the first paragraph intact, as well as having Bora Bora the Romantic Island as a heading. After finding the correct version, remember where it is, uncheck the Compare box, select that revision, and then click Restore this revision. Remember, in order to finalize the rollback, you must click Update. Go ahead and view the post. We can now see our Bora Bora post has been restored to the correct revision.